Alright, so what we have today is here, we're gonna make our double Beyblade launcher. Real quick, real easy. This is an ice scraper from the dollar store and 2 of your favorite Beyblade launchers. We will start by matching up the holes. Make sure that you actually have a good match. Okay, so I know I do, so I'm going to put a bit of glue just to make it hold. Alright, so here's one. Let's just hold it there for a quick second. It should hold for a little bit. You can blow on it a bit. Remember to use parents' help to make sure it sticks properly. Alright, and that you can hold on to it while it's still malleable. Make sure not to get any in the way. In this way, you'll ensure you still can use the Bay Ripper. So you put the glue all around there. Make sure, there you go. Make sure you keep squishing. Make sure that it stays in position. Alright, let's do the other one. So I put the glue inside, as you can see, and I'm just matching it. And holding. Like so. Put the second one, and see the first one's already there. See you soon. Bladers, there it is. The 2-handle or 2 Beyblade launcher from Hasbro. Non-official, of course. Homemade with lots of love. What do you guys think? Let's put it in action. Let's do this. Haha! Hades and Fafnir. Let it. Gonna take some getting used to, I guess. Let it. Let it. Oh yeah, baby. Full power. Yeah. Who's gonna win? Is there gonna be a burst? No burst. Ooh, Fafnir. 3, 2, 1, let it. Woo. Come on, Fafnir. Take down Hades. Ooh, ooh. And will it be Fafnir? Or Hades? Oh, Fafnir. Survivor finish. I do hope you liked the video. If you do, share it with a buddy. Woo. See if they can make one. See if you can make a double Beyblade launcher. This way you could test all the bays out yourself. And not one at a time. Thanks for watching, guys. Let it. And Fafnir! Yeah!